How to watch live football on YouTube TV with premium add-ons. Step number 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV base plan. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 2. Add premium channels for enhanced content. To access additional football content, you can add premium channels to your subscription. NFL Sunday Ticket provides access to out-of-market NFL games every Sunday. NFL Red Zone offers live coverage of Sunday afternoon touchdowns featuring multiple games at once. Sports Plus add-on includes extra sports channels like NFL Red Zone, MAV TV, Outdoor Channel, Sportsman Channel, and Stadium. Step number 3. Install YouTube TV on your device. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device like Roku or Chromecast. Step number 4. Sign in to your YouTube TV account. Open the app and sign in with your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 5. Navigate to live football games. Use the search function to find specific football games or browse through the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 6. Start streaming. Select the game you wish to watch and it will begin streaming live on your device.